Hey Escambia teachers, let's go over some preferences that can affect your gradebook. The top preference is choosing your language. You can also select a highlight color, how you want your columns in your student information layout. You can turn your default filters on, which is recommended. You can choose your date format, and then these three options here are very specific to your gradebook. The first one is configuring gradebooks separately for each section. This allows you to create categories for your sections separately, instead of having them linked across multiple sections. But be warned, this option requires you to individually work on every single class section that you teach, so you'll have to recreate those categories every single time. This next one, combining sections for taking attendance, is defaulted on for all users. And this is good because if you have multiple sections that meet during the same period, you can record on a single screen. The last one is combining sections for your gradebook. If you click this, you're going to see some other options appear at the bottom. By period, so that sections that fall within the same class period are grouped together, or you do have the option to create custom groups, and when that is applied, you're going to see that you can move groups here. Custom groups are actually not recommended. If you're going to combine sections for gradebook, we recommend by period. So when we're talking about combining sections in the same gradebook, this allows you to enter grades for several sections all at once. However, we're going to advise you to proceed with caution. All assignments and grades must be the same across those different sections for all of your students, or your posted grade will not match your gradebook grade. So you really want to think about all of these options as you're creating your gradebook for the year. And after you make any selection, remember to go to the top and click Save. Thanks for watching, and check out our other videos to help you master focus.